Yo you guys, what is going on? It's your boy Blazendary here, and today in this video we have the final mail time of 2020. This is gonna be a historic one because, well, not only are these the final packages that we're gonna be getting open for the month of December, it's also gonna be the final packages that I'll be buying until the new year, because I have some big videos planned and you guys are gonna see coming up. We got that turning $1 into 1,000 challenge. Episode number 4 is finally gonna be releasing on January 10th. That is a Saturday. Mark that date down on your calendars, hit the like button if you're excited, and with that being said, let's talk about in this episode all the packages that are on the table, and most importantly, we have one special one that I've been waiting to get open, this one right here. Let's get into it. So what do we have here first? Let's go ahead, take a look. I'm assuming it's gonna be a lot of stuff from Supreme. It's also gonna be some stuff maybe left over from the holiday season. Oh wow. Since I knew the end of the Supreme season was coming up, I knew it would be a great opportunity to load up for my website, blazendary.com, on a lot of these brand new Supreme shirts. So these are just gonna be the ones that recently came out. So this is the Bear tee. Now the thing about it is, at the moment, it's not reselling for much, but you give it a year, and I mean 1 year, brand new in the bag. This t-shirt, for example, the Blur tee, you could see it going for maybe $60 or $70. If my initial investment is $40, I'm doubling almost my money. So that's gonna be a really nice long term for the store. And just like how last year I was buying tees, keeping them brand new, I'm taking out those storage containers now, selling those shirts, and now putting these shirts into storage. 2 bakalakas as well included in the order. You guys already know the deal. These are also $1 a piece. Here we have a Stay Positive pin. This right here is the No More tee. Here we have the Everywhere tee. And the last one of the package, the Chrome tee. So I just get a ton of different sizes. This is like an XL. This is an XL as well, a large. You guys get the gist. Basically, I'm just buying a ton of random sizes, and you guys are gonna see there's a couple double ups of these shirts. This one right here is gonna be a little segue into some of the things I have coming up for the new year. I wanted to open this one right now on camera because I think it's not only a super fire jacket that, yes, I am gonna keep this Cactus Jack one for myself. I'm also teasing that I have a huge Cactus Jack haul opening that is gonna be coming in the middle of January. That is when I'm gonna be getting all the rest of the stuff I ordered from the website. It was like $5,000 worth of stuff, and it's unreal. So we have to make a follow-up video to my previous hauls, which you guys have seen on the channel, and if not, I'll leave some iCards for you to check them out. This is the trail stuff that they came out with. I feel like it was a year ago, but it's gotta be at least maybe 5 or 6 months, 7 maybe. It's a long time I've been waiting for some of this. I think the wait is well worth it, and by now the stuff is reselling because anybody that wanted it, well, you can't get it unless now you're getting it from a reseller. In this bag, we have just a single t-shirt. This is the Anti-Hero Balcony tee and Supreme. Got this one just from the drop. Also included are 2 Bakalaka stickers, and that's it. In this second bag, we have, it looks like, another thermal crew neck. I opened this up on one of my previous mail times, but these are actually going for a little bit of money, so I went ahead and scooped one up for the long term. It always gets me when people talk about Supreme and like,
oh, you're wasting your money buying Supreme.
Not if you're buying calculated Supreme items and you're holding onto them and making the smart decisions, not opening some of them, etc. And whoa, I did not think I actually got this crew neck, but I did. This is a size medium, and for the love of goodness, I'm having a real hard time. Nope, I'm doing it. And you're holding onto them. Yep, I have to make, at some point, a decision. We're adding the world famous Supreme Ariel crew neck to my collection. I really like it, especially now that I'm living in New York. I can really appreciate these New York pieces. And don't get me wrong, I was gonna resell it, but I saw it was my size and I couldn't pass it up. If it was an XL, of course I was gonna resell it. This might have been, yeah, I mean, this was the only thing in the bag, so it looks like it was my only order for this week. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram at JeanCarloPerch, because we have some absolute fire coming up with these new outfits. And guys, I also wanted to remind you that we are giving away an Off-White crew neck. All you have to do is just leave a like on this video and drop a comment down below. I have been teasing it a little bit in the past videos, so very soon I'll pick a winner from one of the videos who left a comment. So I appreciate your guys' love and support. I want to give back, especially for the new year, and I feel like this is just a super cool, dope hoodie I've had in my collection for a little while. Doesn't fit me anymore, so I'd love to pass it off to one of you guys. Here we go, let's check out this next package. Oh, this is gonna be another ginormous bulk order. So let's get into it. The first one, we have another Bear tee. This is gonna be in a light blue and yellow colorway. We have the Blur tee. This is a blue with a green print in the front. There's a logo. The Chrome tee in red, so here's another Chrome tee. The Finest tee, which you can barely just see the logo right there. It's in gold foil. Another No More tee. Got this one because there's a little mini box logo right there, and I feel like over time that will have a little bit of value. Bakalakas, so shout out to the Bakalaka gang. And here's another Everywhere tee. We've seen this print earlier this episode. Bulk orders, you gotta love them, especially for the long-term investment. Also too, because I'm uploading this on a Tuesday, this is a little bit of a Take My Money Tuesday, so I hope you guys are enjoying. And with that being said, let's keep it going. We got some crazy packages to get into. I've been waiting on this jewelry ring, oh my God, for so long. So I'm so excited to finally get it open. Wanted to save my reaction on camera. And in this package, we have two Thermal Supreme crews. This is actually, well, the crew neck itself, and then these are the Long John pants. Once again, I see long-term good potential resell in these. They only came out with thermals one time, so it's good to see them return. I'm actually wearing thermals pretty often when I go out and about myself. Next box coming up, money shot. Here we go. So this is some cool stuff that we got at retail cost. First, we have the TNF fur backpack. This is a black fur backpack. This recently came out, the North Face collab. We also have the red fanny pack, a fur red fanny pack. And lastly, we have a honeycomb ripstop cam cap. You can't go wrong with holding on to these, especially if they're brand new in the bag. Now for Christmas, my man Max Russell, he's one of my really good longtime friends. He got me a pair of Supreme Air Forces at retail. So instead of charging me, you know, the plus 100 profit he could have made when he got these, he ended up just letting me cop for retail for Christmas. Let's check it out. Yes, I've been waiting to get my hands on these now for such a long time. Just a beautiful, very simple Air Force with the red box logo. Honestly, it's just such a simple, clean Air Force. You can't go wrong with an all-white pair. And he even told me, unfortunately, they did not come with the red laces from Supreme, which kind of sucks, but I'll throw an image of them up right now. And I was gonna wear them with the red laces, but maybe if one of you guys, you have an extra pair, you wanna comment down below, yo Blaze, I got a pair for sale, join my Discord, it's gonna be in the link in the description below. Let me know you got some red laces, and I'll gladly buy them off you. Here we go. In this one, we have the Mariah Carey tee. Your boy got it for retail, which was super cool. And I'm gonna sell this, hold on to it for a little bit, probably sell it next Christmas. The New Era Balaclava, so this is an all olive colorway. Balaclava just goes right over your head, has little eye holes. It's honestly perfect for, you know, what's going on in the world today. And yes, another bear t-shirt right here. This was one of my favorites actually. Coming up, two more red box logos and another set of the Thermal Crew from Supreme. This one, this was a freebie, unexpected, sent to the house. Shout out to the homies over at New Era. Wasn't expecting this gift, but for the holidays and the good folks over at Champ Sports, they went ahead and sent out a New Era Essentials hat. Didn't pay for this, and it's just cool to see it show up at my door. I want to thank Champ Sports for sending it out. This one is a little bit of an oddball, and I kind of wish I had opened it a little earlier so I could have given it to my brother for Christmas. Yo, I mean, not only as longtime watchers of SpongeBob, and me and my brother did our DNA test, we're 40% Jewish. If you guys didn't know that, I wanted to give him for Christmas a Patrick It's Lit menorah crew neck. And ladies and gentlemen, we have the package that I've been waiting to get open now. This whole video, I've been very patient. I've not even opened the box. I really wanted to get my reaction on camera to me opening for the first time. Oh man. This is coming all the way from Thailand. Comes in a shiny metal box, as you guys can see, and let's just get it open, yo. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear this in the videos, I'm gonna wear it when I go out, and it's just gonna be that new piece for the collection. Take My Money Tuesday, most definitely. Oh, shoot. Here it is. Shout out to my boy Jacob over at Miriori. Definitely is absolutely out there killing it right now. Oh, here it is. I literally haven't even touched it, dude. I've been so patient, just waiting. I wanna give you guys the first look. I wanna give it to y'all, ready? Oh, it's in here, it's in here, it's in a little... All right, there it is, it's in the plastic. Let's check it out. Yo! Yo! Here it is, whoa! Check it out, guys, right here. We have a +++ diamond ring. So check that out, VS1, as you guys can see. plus. That is just a brand logo. What we're all about, positive mindset, just get you through a lot. Dude, that shit is badass. Let's go. I could probably even wear it. Let's see, I had it as a size 7, so I could wear it on this finger. I really want to wear it on my right index finger right here, so it's just kind of always there. Just always gonna be just right there, yo. The plus ring, we did it. Custom piece of jewelry. I think that thing goes pretty crazy. So it's just super simple, white gold and VS1. Jacob also manufactured our plus chains. So as you guys can see, it goes from a clear to a black color shift. That is on every single chain, and it's just a super signature detail. It's what he's known for. If you guys want to get a plus chain, they are available on our website right now, blazendary.com. Thank you guys for all the love and support. It really means a ton. Love the new ring. It just looks so dope. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in, watching the video. Make sure you leave a like for that off-white crew neck and a comment down below. And I'll see you guys again this Thursday. It's your boy, Giancarlo, signing out. Stay positive and peace out.